But like this mask, I was really kind of looking forward to, or whatever it was. You saw that earlier. I don't know if it's a mask of what, but it looks like one kind of. I was hoping that one was Lego. I've never seen it before, but if it's not Lego, then that's gonna be kind of a downer, especially if it's worth something. If it was. Hello everybody, I just got done sorting the book Lego, and it actually came out better than I thought it was, but I do have some bad news. First I'll start out by my chair here so that way it can be seen a little bit easier, and I got my lights on this time. The last video, sorry about that, I forgot to turn my LED lights on, so it might have been kind of dark. But this is the Lego, the genuine Lego that I got out of it. Right up there. That's all the genuine Lego there. So there is quite a bit left. So there actually wasn't too much non-Lego. But that's not the bad news. But here's the non-Lego right here. Of course, I told you about the plate already. We already knew about that. There was a lot, as you can see, there's a lot of these ones. I have no idea what brand these are, but I'm thinking they might be the K'NEX because I know they have box 2 now. The bad news is I have a third one. And hopefully it may not be bad news. It's all the Bionicle, or the ones I thought was Bionicle. And there's also some Technic in there too. But I looked all over the Bionicles pieces, and I did not see any identification of Lego on any of them. So I don't know if they're actually Lego or if there's some other off-brand or something like that. I'm going to do a camera search later and try to search the parts themselves, individually, where you can take a picture on Google. I think it's Google Camera or something like that, and I can see if they come up as Lego or not. They look like Lego. They look like Technic. I know the Technics are Lego, but I just put them together here. But like this mask, I was really kind of looking forward to, or whatever it was. You saw that earlier. I don't know if it's a mask of what, but it looks like one kind of. I was hoping that one was Lego. I've never seen it before, but if it's not Lego, then that's going to be kind of a downer, especially if it's worth something. If it was. It does have numbers on the back. I can't really see them. Oh, wait a minute. It is Lego. That one is confirmed as being Lego. It does have the Lego logo on the other side, so it's sticking in there. So some of this might be Lego. It's just that they're so... Alright, I just want to chime in here. I did actually find it on Rebrickable. It's right here. I also showed an image on that a second ago. And yeah, it's set number, not set number, I think it's set number 8904. There's also a couple sets that have it too. I believe it's probably 8904 because I do have some of the parts from that in there. And it's 53568 is the part number. So to buy all the parts for that set would be over almost $200, and it's Bionicle. So it is retired. So that makes this worth quite a bit. I only have one. It came with 2. I didn't see another one in that box. There could be another one in there. So yeah, it's kind of exciting there. I did find a little gem there, a Bionicle gem. So anyway, here's the rest of the video. They're so oddly shaped that it's hard to find any logos or anything like that. I mean, like that, it could be anywhere on there. It's easier just to take a picture of it and Google it and see. So I'll be doing that probably tomorrow, and this one here should be up tomorrow morning or so. So this is actually the March 8th. My other video came on this morning. I made that yesterday. So there'll be a part 3, and on the next one I'll be putting them in my inventory here. I have a bunch of totes that have the smaller parts in too, so you'll see all that either as I'm putting it in there or already sorted into those. I haven't decided which yet though. But yeah, that's how it came out. So there is quite a bit. I would say about 95% Lego. Maybe more, maybe 98%, somewhere around there. So which is expected. Now, was it worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it so far. I do have to clean the Lego one. I do have to wash those. I have a tote, a medium-sized tote. I'm going to put them in, along with some Dawn dish soap and water, probably hot water. There are some stickers on some. Those are going to obviously come off in the water, which is no big deal. So, yeah, that'll all be removed in there. As far as the non-Lego, I'm not going to worry about washing it. I might just put it out in a free box or something like that, let somebody just take it, you know. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. There's connects in there, something like that. I don't know, I might just keep it, put it aside somewhere in my closet or something. I don't know yet. You never know, might be something I might be missing, might need to use it temporarily or something like that. So, yeah, so that's the video, and like and share this, and hit that notification button. You'll get notifications for my next videos coming up here in the near future. I hope this isn't too loud. Hopefully I can bring this down. My subscribers did drop down one, so it's exactly 200 as of right now. It wasn't 201 yesterday, but evidently somebody didn't watch a video, so it drops you after like 12 hours or something like that if you don't watch any videos. So yeah, that's it. So bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.